I recommend cutting the boards instead of pulling them out with some sort of a crowbar, because the boards tend to split along the nails. The only important fit is this one, because the other ones just lean against it, lean against the other sides, so it doesn't really have to be square, but this has to be tight together. So now I cut out the basic shape of the big mountain. So now you lay the other boards on the side and put the peaks about how high you want the other mountains to be. So this one will be the medium mountain, and this one will be the small mountain. Yeah. So now I have to take a board, cut zigzags into it, and use it as a guard, so when I burn the bottom of the boards, aka mountains, the tips will not get burnt and they will look like snow. And if you're wondering why I'm burning it before I join it all together, it is because before I join together I can also burn the sides, and then you won't have nasty white cracks in between the brown parts. And then later I'll screw it onto some 2x1s, so it will stick out of the wall and add more emphasis to everything. And also I made long zigzag so I can use different sections of it for different mountains. So I burnt and screwed in the 2x1s to support the coat hanger when it's on the wall. So now the only thing I have to do is sand the peaks on the other side to have the zigzags more distinct, then lacquer the front, and then put the coat hangers on. Now I just coat it with the clear varnish. And then I only have to put the hooks on.